you doing? Welcome to Absolute Physique. Come on in. Absolute Physique is a one-stop training company where you can find personal training, strength training, weight loss, nutrition, meal plans, even contest preparation. Well, even though I graduated with an international studies and business administration degree, fitness has always been my passion. After college, I got hired on with a big gym corporation, moved my way up to management, but soon found out that they were more about the numbers than the clients. And Absolute Physique gets back to just that, the client, you. With experienced, knowledgeable, and motivated trainers, that's what Absolute Physique is founded for. Absolute Physique is for anyone. Anyone that's committed and motivated, whether you're trying to do a marathon, training for a triathlon, a bodybuilder, a powerlifter, a strongman. We're really not about a specific target. You can be 9 years old to 79 years old. We will take your physique month by month, plan it out to ensure you get the results you want and ultimately what you need. Absolute Physique differs from the rest because we really focus on the client themselves, taking them to the next level, whatever goal that may be. When you're choosing a trainer, there's millions to choose from, all promising the same results, faster, quicker, but we want to ensure that it's done professionally, with experience and motivation behind it. If you want more information about Absolute Physique and our trainers, you can visit us online at absolutephysique.com. Also our Facebook page, Absolute Physique. Our personal information, contact, and email is also included on both. We look forward to hearing from each of you and getting you the absolute physique and nothing less.